Myntri Tourism Timothy di Shira hakashpotrik naitung ulaong baka jingtmu jong sarkar bantay yak facilitation but tourist registration center Umling katmu ban perking yak jingwanrung ki briu ki banabar shapo Meghalaya. Ya kani Myntri ulapan pau hadin ka jing persya jong kakasi Students Union KSU halor ka jingtmu bantay yak food court hakani ka facilitation center. Ngam kuak ban ken tho AA nama radanga ong AA kan sapen mi penban ni kinrum kan ram. Kumta ngam kuak ban ong AA ong Timothy ha kabaya de bat kate ka jing persya ka KSU. Ula batai baka jing tmu jong kate ka center kalong ban ai artli ki jing shakri. Kata kum ka jaka ban perking ya ka jingwan rung ki briu ki banabar pat ha ka juk ka por kum ka jaka register ya ki nongwan jungok kai sha ka jela. Kajing temu kajongi kalong bandan ya ka facilitation center pat kajaka ban register ya kinong wan jungok kai. Kat kum ka plan ngilabu artli ki kamera bantre ya ki kam office. Hakapor bale ya ka registration kandan kajing shimpor kumta hakabakum kani kapor ki briu ki la ban pendot ya kapor haki jaka bam kum ki restaurant ki batmu bantay hakani kajaka kat ba kidang am ya kapali ban register ya ladi ong Timothy. Myntri ula banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban register ki briu ki bawan rung sya ka jela kenang ban la ban pensisha ya ka jinglong jingman bat ya ka jingtmu ki jongki. Hoot kande ka tourist registration center ha ka kyrteng jong ki nongwan jungok kai le se bun ki briu ki wan ban le ya ki a. Ni ha ban bishar benya ya ki kot kisla but like day ne em ki nong shong shnong jong ka India ni na ki wepat ki ri haringkat ki kot kisla ki babiang ula benram. Myntri ula iasyriem ru ya katika jing perking ban wan rung shapo ka jela bakan long kumbala le ha ki wepat ki jela dak baong ka iasyriem bat ka ILP. Haba pilai chanagalan barok kin habanya ding bagi kindon trekam jong ka ILP. Kani karukam trekam kaderu kebalale hakiwe ru kijela. Harilum garo ru ngilatay ya ka yeng ha beru bari kabat trekam hakatika ju karukam. Halor ka jingkeno baka sorkar kamdan ya kikindon an ki baklan ban telakam ya ka jingwan rung kertep ki briu ki banabar. Timothy ula kentat da kabaong baka sorkar menta keladon ya ka infiltration cegit na lor kani ka registration center. Hakabaya day bat ka jing persya ka KSU Myntri ulaong bakan sadon ka jingakran hakakerdan bat ki he officer kata haba benrab bau deputy commissioner ula khot yakran ya ka KSU da ka bakir pat ban ompenthot ya katika kam.
That I will not make a comment because you say if I make a comment, then it will develop into a controversy. So I don't have any comment on that. Our plan is to make it a facility center plus this what registrations of the tourists. And we have in our plan we have provided at least 2 rooms for doing this official work, say registering the tourists. And at a time we say our registration, some time will be taken. So in that time you see whatever they have to spend waiting for the registration, they can enjoy at the same time. So we are providing the facilities for this like a restaurant. That's all only. In fact, you see at the official level, there was a talk. There was a talk. DC has called them, the case member, request them not to disturb the work. But what is their decision that I don't know. It will be a tourist registration center. Because you see, in the name of tourists, many people may be coming to do something. So in order to check their intention, whether they are coming as a tourist with whole intention, or they are coming in the guise of tourists, say, to do some harm. That is necessary for us. Because you will have to examine their paper, whether it actually is genuine residents of India or from other countries having a proper document or not. So like almost like a ILP, no? In a land permit. When we go to Nagaland, they say everybody has to go through this inner line permit system. Then I say whatever the court prohibition, I think Meghalaya government has to reply. These are the mechanism government is going to adopt. So having a place for registration, checking those tourists coming into Meghalaya. Even in government also we have constructed a house building at Birubari. That also will be done like that. You see, we have some restaurant there, and at the same time we have some registration officer out there to check the proper the tourists whether they are coming with proper document. Government doesn't have a proper mechanism to check the illegal, say, influx. Say. Now there is infiltration check. And what more checking is required? So now you see, infiltration check at plus this checking at least checkpoint. And what more is a system is very required. What is their opinion? Because you see, I don't know what is their intention and how they are saying like this. You see, it's up to them to say so. I have no any comment on that. You see.